Hello everyone, today let's talk about MC oil seal. This is a mud-proof water oil seal. This size, its internal diameter is 55, external diameter is 80, and the sink is 12. It is a red-brown color, and this oil seal very strong. It's made of rubber and there is plastic. We also can customize the size and customize the color. We also have black color. It also have many following features. The first one is vulcanized at low temperature with longer service life and more wear resistance. High temperature resistance, oil leakage prevention, mud-proof water, ticking skeleton. If you like this, just send us our inquiries. We can send you free samples. Welcome everyone to inquire and order.